New toy. It's not mine.
Yeah.
It belongs to the tree surgeon.
The FDA thing went.
The AHBA?
No, what is it? FAA license?
American Honky Tonk Bar Association.
That too.
That's the GoPro 6. I do a review on this thing, but I don't know anything about it. It comes with a microphone.
No, that's the actual stabilizer.
I was just kidding.
I think. Or it is a microphone.
It's a microphone, because when you fly it and you do a good job, you drop it. Alright, let's get serious. Alright, I gave him a little SD card. We're about to fly it. That's awesome. It's like something off Star Trek, ain't it? The 8th generation. I don't know. The battery's still looking a little dead right there. It's showing it up front. We're trying to figure out if it gets power off of the actual Duflati. The plan is we're going to fly that above an explosion here in a minute. So if the tree surgeon doesn't blow it right off the bat and break this thing, we'll be good. You know, a little small kid or like an infant could ride that.
Depends on how small.
I gotta be real small. Karma. It's just karma. Is it gonna like fly up and hit me in the face? Or will it just go straight up?
It depends on how it's feeling.
It looks like a big water glider. Sounds like somebody's trying to call. Hey.
2, 1.
Hey, hang on 1 second. I'm sorry. Simon! I'm sorry, Simon was trying to do that. That is awesome. So you can see how it flies better than that little one I put batteries in the house.
Hey, are you doing anything right now? It's just holding us up.
Sims.
Now we're recording.
That is awesome, ain't it? So it is recorded. Can you see battery level of your GoPro on there?
It tells me how long I have.
Yeah, that's awesome. So what was that, like 150 bucks?
120.
120 bucks.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're a lot cheaper now. There it goes.
Let's see, let's see.
It might not show real clear.
Hey, that's cool.
Yeah, that's us right there.
Oh, it does, huh? Yeah. Awesome.
Why it is. I know why.
I don't know if you can see it. 250 feet.
Yeah.
Awesome. Weird, ain't it? It's like a monster. Not much chili left. We're about to go outside with a drone and a little Tannerite and have some fun for the kids to see, aren't we? Y'all wait right there, huh?
Did y'all already shoot it?
No, we hadn't shot it. You'll know in a minute. Here's a bearded one and his bride. And a bunch of other people I don't know.
Clothes are not the way to go.
Whew. Mixing the Tannerite. Preparing for takeoff. We don't have any more pumpkins, so we're using buckets. good and gray. Oh yeah, looking good. Don't breathe that in. Lungs explode. I've always wanted to do this at night. Actually, just got the idea not too long ago. I think I got all those pellets back in there. Tense. It's almost past tense. No pretense. What's the consequence? Alright, here we go. There's one in the gas. Actually, lemonade. Sample. We'll go on top of that. Oh, he's going to do another one. You've seen this before. Okay, we got our stuff in there. We're going to use the light too, but we're gonna, since you're not gonna be able to see this at 100 yards, we're gonna have to power up the paint. Okay, move away, let's see. Oh yes. Can you hit that from 100 yards, the bearded one? So the question is, can the bearded one and the tree surgeon hit that little dot from 100 yards? Get some. I need some of that to paint my fingernails with. Okay, I've got the GoPro set up there. Bucket over there, and one more right here. We're gonna see how this works out. Okay, are you gonna stay down here and watch it?
I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
we go up to there?
Huh?
We go up to there?
Go up what?
With the camera?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. We might need more of a up in the air explosion. Like that? Super view?
Yeah, you can still see.
It's about 20 some degrees out here.
Lay down! It's a trap! Lay down! Get down! It's a buzz! Are you on? Sorry, who's this? Okay.
Look, there's so many kids in there. These jokers are nuts. Moving on to explosion. That's my next.
I didn't
to the
feel it when
oldest.
it happened. I didn't notice it until like I went down and saw my
He
skin
busted
hanging
out a window, then was cleaning it up.
Yeah, just put Neosporin on that band-aid.
How'd you bust out a window?
He has little to. Y'all ready?
How'd you bust?
What are y'all doing? Where'd y'all get all this?
I went to my favorite store. And
Where?
filled up a dirt sheet.
You bought all this at Dirt Cheap?
Well, it was only $1. Seriously? All of it, yeah.
Here's the deal. I'm trying to get my bride
It was only
and the
$1.
bearded one's bride to start a YouTube channel. Because they always come up with deals like this.
He's missing an arm.
Oh, he is missing an arm.
But here's another guy that's not missing an arm.
Hey, you think I should get rid of that top piece of skin right there?
Oh, that's awesome. No, I would keep the top piece of
Is it
skin.
gonna like? It's not gonna corn back.
Let me see. Okay, I'm ready to go build it, burn it, blow it up. Okay, here we go. So for his boo-boo, I got him a boo-boo sticker with a little puppy on it. Here, this is your best friend. Unpeel that back, unpeel the other side. You can hold it with your hand like a big boy. Hold that joker. That's kind of small. Hold on. I don't think the squishy's gonna be good enough. Let's find another one. Cover all this one more time. She bought this entire pile of Christmas stuff at Dirt Cheap for $1. That's ridiculous, isn't it? Now we're going outside to blow it out. Oh, it is recording. I couldn't tell. Way down there in the field. Well, you can't see, so never mind right now. And I'm going to hold the red and green so you know where the front is and the back is when it's in the air. Alright, GoPro stabilized. We're going to do this from above and the sides. Getting straight at professional here.
Go put it by that heater for a second.
We're having some situational problems because it's cold out here and the batteries have been sitting out so sitting outside, so it did not. It was saying it was too cold. Still too cold? I'll be back. Drone is still not warm. So, waiting for the drone to warm up. Everybody's waiting for the moment of truth.
Like they're just coming down and they like.
Watch this.
It's all Christmas stuff. I found some.
Isn't that cool?
I found some stuff that's kind of kid like.
Can I look at it?
I saw.
Doctor, I got this thing on my face.
I got that. That was kind of like not a Christmas stuff.
What do you do with it?
Okay, let's go outside. We're outside. We're gonna pass on the drone now. We got the rifle, a flashlight. We gotta get the cat to move. And I'm gonna go down here.